Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on the XLM or Stellar. Wanted to do a full update here. I know quite a lot of you are interested in that. I have, well, even though the chart looks a little bit funky, I mean, it's a weird chart to analyze, right? Because you had a very bullish momentum, and then after that, it was filled with these big moves. And I would say the current structure is some sort of a range. I think we're moving sideways with some deviations to both sides, both to the supply side and to the demand side. But still, I wanted to do a full update, kind of talking about what's going on right now, talking about what to expect. XLM unfortunately has kind of lost its correlation to XRP in the last month or so. I mean, last month XRP has actually performed very, very well, and XLM has not really followed. So that's fundamentally that's bearish, right? I mean, I know that Stellar are still doing some interesting things, and I especially know that the Stellar community is amazing. But that is a conclusion we have to make, and that significantly reduces the potential of XLM as well. I think for XRP, when we're specifically talking about Ripple, specifically talking about XRP, there's all of this news I can imagine, and all of these potential headlines I can think of that will push up the price. But if XLM is not going to follow those headlines like it did, for example, in November, it's bad news. So we'll see. Maybe it will still get back that correlation a little bit later, but at this point of time, it's not really doing that. At least not when XRP is bullish. Because I would say, I mean, if we're taking a look at the structure that XLM and XRP right now are both in, I think both are ranging. And for XLM, you can see these blue lines right here. That's the value area low around 39.5 cents. I think we're actually, I think XLM is actually doing fine here. I mean, it's not bullish, right? I mean, if you look at the trend band here, you can see that, first of all, that did not really provide much support. And then second of all, you can see that we've dropped down below that right now. So purely technical, and this is the daily time frame, right? So things like that do actually matter. I mean, on the 4-hour time frame, it's always a little bit less certain if these breakouts do matter. This is the daily time frame. So XLM itself, like, it's not bullish. But if you compare to other altcoins, which I do like to do here and there, I would say it's holding up fine. I mean, a lot of altcoins right now, as most of you know, are absolutely suffering. And if you take a look at XLM, like, the volume is also dropping down right now. And if we take a look at the open interest, also dropping down. But we are still holding the value area low right here at 39 cents. And we still have this big buffer of support between 36.5 cents all the way down to well, practically 30 cents. If you really zoom out to like the 3-day time frame, we can drop down into 30 cents and still be bullish. And personally, I mean, I don't think this is most likely, but if we actually do drop down into 30 cents, and there's no major reason for us doing that, such as World War III starting, I'll buy there, all right? Because if you take a look at this chart right here, we're still consolidating on top of this level, and would still be fine even if we drop down that much. But no, I mean, talking about XLM right now, to go into the 12-hour time frame, what I would say as a conclusion based on what we're seeing right now, volume is dropping down. Tonight we have the interest rate decision, which is usually a bit of a de-risking event. We're not getting that much support from the value area low, even though we did reclaim it since Monday. So short term, I would say it's a bit more likely that will drop down lower into 36, 35, 34 cents. But I do think that level, so not 30 cents, I do think that level is already enough to find support, consolidate, and to eventually also move up from. But that move up will probably coincide with bullish market circumstances or some bullish Ripple news. So that I'll keep you updated on. For now, I would say that's most likely. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or better yet, join the Telegram or Discord, much better. But for now, thank you for watching. Hopefully it was valuable. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.